not sure, bud.
Do you know what Penn Central Railroad is?
I do not.
Did you get it on video?
Yeah, we'll have to look it up.
We'll have to show me another. This is actually you counting cars? Wait, isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's cool.
It's Penn Central. Oh, it's Norfolk Southern. Yeah, that's probably why there wasn't many trains. It's probably because they're probably checking the tracks with the high-road trucks and stuff to make sure they can send this special train through with the locomotive. I might have just got it. She has to... That was an ear-piercing horn, wasn't it? Did you get the corn? God! Buddy, it's mixed right. I'm thinking. Do you think there's a Norfolk Southern locomotive with the egg? No, because there's the egg. Locomotive? Where do you... Oh my God, those don't have graffiti on. Those are brand new, Dad. Brand new.
Wow, they are new cars. That's pretty cool.
Why does it sound like the train just ended, but it didn't? What's that? In the middle, locomotive. Penn Central or Norfolk Southern? Probably Norfolk Southern. But technically it's still cool. It's Norfolk Southern. Dang. It is a Norfolk Southern. The middle of the train. Do you think that's one of their special engines?
I'm not sure.
But technically, this still is technically a Penn Central train. Because the Norfolk Southern train is just helping. So is this cool or not?
Yeah, it's cool. You don't see that too often.
Still on a Monday? Are you counting? What? Oh, you're counting. Okay. That did not sound good. Oh, God. This is a long thing. God dang it. Oh, he's counting. He's counting. My daddy's counting. Isn't he? Dad, you're not counting. You are? Okay. Stop closing your eyes. You have to count. Out.
Hey, bud, get in the back. Get buckled up.
Oh, there's the end.
Get buckled up.
I want to see the end.